You searched how to buy shares of Addus HomeCare Corporation, a U.S. home healthcare services provider listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ADUS. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. And after registering, you'll be asked to verify your identity, typically with a government ID, and to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ADUS to find the Addus HomeCare listing. Then check the exchange and company name to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart, confirming the listing matches Addus HomeCare Corporation on NASDAQ. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a market on open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring, and you can find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.